today is not my day. I just filmed this entire video, went to export it onto my computer, and my mic was off. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, hi, hello. My name is Karina, also known as Ohmglashes. What? Okay, I need to slow down. Also known as Ohmglashes here on YouTube. Welcome to my video. So as you can see by the title, today's video, we are going to be doing something new, something fresh. We like to change things up here on my channel, so I decided to give this box a try. Now listen, Linda. This box is not looking as cute as it was like a few minutes ago, and that's because I've already filmed this video, but we still have her. So we are going to be diving into the summer 2019 Fab Fit Fun. Now you guys know that I like to do unboxings here on my videos. I like to do get ready with me, things like that. But because this box was like a first time for me, I have never tried Fab Fit Fun. It's like a first impressions. I decided that we can open it together, and I'm going to be honest. You guys know that I'm always honest with all my videos, and I'm going to let you guys know if this box is worth it. Huge shout out to Fab Fit Fun for sponsoring this video and working with me. So without talking too much, let's go ahead and unbox this summer's box. Box. So first things first, if you guys are wondering who Fab Fit Fun is, what it's about, pretty much it's a seasonal box. So unlike your monthly subscription, you only get this 4 times a year. So summer, spring, fall, and then winter. This is the first time again that I'm going to be testing out this box, and I'm really excited. The cool thing was that I was able to customize my box, so you are able to customize some of your items, and then the other ones are kind of like a little surprise, which I love surprises because it feels like Christmas every time I open a new box. Now each seasonal box or each box is $49.99, but you can actually get it for $39.99 with my discount code OMG. It saves you $10 for your first time. Also, this has a total of like $200 worth of stuff, which yes, anything that is worth more than what I'm paying for, give it to me, honey. Since I already opened the box, because again, I'm filming this, first things first, this is a cute little magazine, and this is Eva Longoria. Now here on the box, it says that they are in support of a Global Gifts Foundation, a Girls in Action Alliance with Eva Longoria Foundation. When I saw her face on this magazine, I was like, Eva Longoria, she has to be one of my favorite actresses, like, ever. And I don't really have a lot of like favorite actresses, but the reason why I feel like I have such love and respect for her is because she is such a successful Latina. Hello, Latina over here. And she is my favorite from the show Desperate Housewives, which is a super old show. If you guys ever seen that, I love that. That is hands down my favorite show in the entire world. I've seen it about 4 times. It has like 8 seasons and it's a long show, but oh my god, I loved her as Gabrielle. She was so hilarious. Like, she just made the whole show so funny. Anyway, so yeah, this is a little magazine that you get, and then once you open it up, let me look for it here. On right here, once you open up the page, it actually shows you the prices of the stuff that you are getting, and we are going to get started with that. If I remember correctly, I think I picked this myself. Yeah, so this is a kimono. So this is the Spiritual Gangster. Oh, I like that. I am a spiritual gangster. Made of spun rayon fabric for a cooling effect. This kimono is a summer essential that can be dressed up or down. And this retails for $60. That's actually a pretty good price. I live in Utah. I don't really dress up in heels unless like it's a super special event, but I can picture myself wearing this with a cute white top, some cute denim distress shorts, and some like cute black gladiator sandals. Ooh, yes, honey. That will look super cute. So yeah, that is the first thing in my box. Next up, I have this Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rose Spray. It is a hydrating rose facial spray. And let me look at the price on this. This is the Spray All Day Hydrating Facial Spray. Now, the rose scent or the rose trend has been super popping lately, like 2019. It's all about like rose scented stuff. So I'm actually going to spray my skin right now since I already have my makeup done and I didn't even set my skin, so this will help. Let me see how the setting spray is. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Oh wow, that smells really good, you guys. Next up is this Intelligent Nutrients. That is the name of the brand, and it is a refining micro polish. It smooths and exfoliates, superfine treatment, gently sweeps away dull surface cells, and purifies pores for all skins. Girl, you pores, you had me at pores. I am curious to see how this smells because sometimes these things can feel a little or smell a little funky. Ooh. Ooh, okay. That does not smell bad. And I can see and feel the little micro beads inside. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it. Do you guys see those little beads? That is what's going to exfoliate the skin. So I will definitely keep you guys updated as far as how I'm liking this. This literally cannot come at a better time. I just ran out of my little exfoliating face wash that I use. I am excited to use him tonight. Next up is this silicone wine glasses. What a pair set of two. Oh my god, this is so cool. Okay, let's take a look at see how much this is. Okay, so I am not a big wine drinker. I am more of a beer girl. Like, I love me a good beer. But sometimes when I go over to my sister's house, she actually likes wine. So maybe I can keep one for myself and I'll give one to her. Oh my god, I've seen these. That's so cool, you guys. I mean, obviously, you don't have to use it for wine. You can use it for water. This is so cool. They're like... These are going to be the perfect excuse for me to go over to my sister's house and be like, do you want to have some wine? I have some cute cups for it. These are 2 for $25, which is really not bad. They're reusable and they're cute. So, yay. Ooh, we got this HelloFresh America's #1 meal kit, $80 gift card, $20 off your first 4 deliveries plus free shipping. I've heard so much about HelloFresh and I've never tried it. So now that I have a gift card, I'm definitely going to try it because sometimes mama doesn't feel like cooking. Just saying. I mean, even though you have to cook, but you know, it's just easier to follow a recipe once you have everything right in front of you. After that, we have this Living Proof Nourishing Styling Cream. It says that it stops frizz and it lightly conditions the hair. Apply generously to clean, damp hair from roots to ends. Ooh, girl, my hair is clean, so we're going to try this. It has a very creamy formula. I've heard so many things about Living Proof. Ooh, that smells good. I've never really tried their products, but hey. Today is the day. Next up is this exfoliating foot mask. Oh, girl, I am the worst at taking care of my feet. And I don't know why, because it's not like I naturally have cute feet. Like, my feet be looking like the Flintstones. Flat feet for days. So this is pretty cool. This is, let's see. So it just smooths and softens intense hydration. Girl, Lord knows that I need some intense hydration. I'm not going to put this on my feet right now because I'm wearing chanclas. And yeah, we have to put this on at night according to the instructions. If you leave it on at night and then in the morning you wake up with beautiful, soft, and exfoliated feet. So I'm going to make my man put this on my feet tonight. Next up, ooh, I've been wanting to try these. These are the Invisibobble, the Traceless Hair Ring. Yes, you know, or if you don't know, I naturally have curly hair. And when it comes to nighttime, my bed is full of hair because my hair falls off so much at night because I toss and tumble like a maniac. And I've heard that these are really good for curly hair, so I am going to keep these next to me in my little nightstand because when I have 6 of them. Okay, I am like really excited, and I already know my daughter's gonna steal these, so I'm gonna make sure to hide 3 and then like keep the other at bay because I know she's gonna steal them. This little box retails for $16 for 6 of them. Next up, we also have a clay mask. Ooh, I love masks. This is the Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. Now, this one is to refine, brighten, illuminate, and nurture the skin. You apply an even layer to the clean, dry skin. Wait approximately 10 minutes or until the mask starts to tighten, and use water to gently rinse off your mask in circular motions and lightly pat your skin. Cool. I have so many masks, but I'm always down to try a new one. And the cool thing about trying new masks is that my daughter loves masking with me. Now, I don't always let her because some of these masks are for like cleaning the skin if you have acne, so obviously I'm not going to put that on her skin. But when I see a mask that has good ingredients or that it's not too like harsh on the skin, I always let her try them with me. Or even if it's something like this, I'll just apply a little bit on her nose, and like that's her little like mommy and me masking time. And when she sees this and the fact that it's purple, she loves purple, so I know she's gonna want to try this with me. So I'm excited for that one. That one retails for 39 buckaroos. And the very last thing that we have here is this Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask, which looks like this. These are those scary serial killer looking masks. You know what I think is really cool about boxes like these? First of all, it's seasonal and it's a really good price. If you are like me, I am a cheapo and I rarely like venture out to new brands. This is a perfect way of discovering new brands, and that way you try something, you like it, you discover a new brand. So this is a set of 5. All that glitters is gold, and this decadent treatment mask is no exception. It features 24 karat gold and rosa something, I'm not gonna try and say it because I'm going to butcher it, extracts to brighten, soothe, and hydrate your skin. This retails for $160. That is way past what you're paying for the box, so that is super cool. And 5 of them, yes, I'm going to use these tomorrow morning before I do my makeup so my skin can be popping. And that is it, you guys. Those were all the products that I received in this summer's Fab Fit Fun Summer 2019 box. I have to say that slow. I can't say Fab Fit Fun super fast. Literally, it's a struggle like being bilingual and saying things fast because sometimes your tongue gets all twisted. If you guys have tried Fab Fit Fun, let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below, and let me know if you guys are going to be signing up. Again, you can use my code OMG to save $10. And yeah, that is it. I am peacing out for the day. I got places to be, people I need to talk to, I got things to do. So I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye!